I love my Glowforge because I feel like it's an investment that pays for itself in a lot of different ways. Financially, I'm creating work that I can produce in mass quantities. It also allows me to invest time and creativity into a new craft, and for me, I have to be constantly learning new art skills, and the Glowforge is something that really helps me achieve that. My name is Christy Edgar, and I recently got a Glowforge in December 2021, and I just love it so much. It's allowed me to kind of grow as an artist and help me find my unique, original voice and design with a lot of the characters that I've been able to create. A lot of the designs I have are obviously very delicate, and with the Glowforge, I get to play with wood and acrylic and leather and make things that will stand the test of time. Plus, I get to do engraving, which I've never done before. I love scoring things. I love like making little cuts, and it's really cool seeing all of the different tools that I have available to me now that just kind of like opened up with the Glowforge that I just didn't have. Glowforge has allowed me, because I can make things that are more durable, to really explore some of my favorite characters, like my little millennial animals and things like that. It's been really fun to see new designs that nobody else has made before kind of just like create themselves and become a physical entity with the help of the Glowforge. I'm incredibly excited and grateful to have it. I'm incredibly excited to keep playing with it, and I really look forward to seeing the new things that come out with it and the new things that I'm able to create with it. It's the greatest addition to my crafting addiction that I think I could have ever asked for.